I have configured the walkthroughs and single prompts in this in-app guidance. I think the best documentation way would be to use Salesforce itself to guide the end user through different, different configurations that you have done. So I made 2 walkthroughs. We are given 3 walkthroughs maximum for free by Salesforce. We can download some apps from App Exchange where there are ready-made walkthroughs, and those are not included in those 3 walkthroughs that are given for free. So starting on, you can see if you do this, we can edit, clone, preview, reset metrics, delete, deactivate, or copy URL. So we can basically copy the URL and send to the end user, and they can they're directly taken to the walkthrough or single prompts, which basically educate them of those features. So starting on this first scenario.
Yeah. Yeah, all right. So first scenario is starting out and just implementing Salesforce that we're doing, right? So basically, every time you have, we have this the adoption rate of Salesforce is pretty low. What can we do about it? Like how we personalize it so it looks like mine, kind of thing.
Starting from the very beginning, we can say as we launch the custom app from the app launcher and land on the home page, we can immediately make it our own with the company branding, logos, colors, the navigation tab specific and relevant to your users. Next, we can also use dynamic dashboards. So users are able to see the metrics and that are relevant to them. So as a CEO, you would probably want to see the metrics of your organization like revenue, opportunity pipeline, leads by new leads by month, campaign ROI, and performance. So if we change we can change the view, which I will show you shortly. Then moving next, we can also customize our navigation tabs relevant to the users. So each end user, when they log in, they want to see the records and data that is relevant to them. So we can customize the navigation that is relevant to each user. And this tool is all about helping users to be more productive, and they can view the records they need to pay attention to right away without losing any time. So next is the use of Einstein search for faster action. Did you know that by typing just a few letters in the search bar, we can go to many related records of that same record? For instance, here, if I type Ashley, I will reach her records right from here. I will just show you soon. And this is just a recap of what we just talked. And we can also have the ability through the walkthrough to share feedback. This can link up to our email where you can share the feedback right from here. And if you want the end user to have more enhanced knowledge of what you just presented, you can also have an additional link which can step them through more training on the same topic. And then this is how we can finish the walkthrough here. In the dynamic dashboards, if we log in if we change the user as this other person and apply, we see that the data and metrics are specific to that user as per allowed by their permissions and profiles. And if we change to another user, like a sales user, we see a different view of the dashboard, which is specific to that user. So not all data is visible to all people. So only the data which is relevant to them, which is permitted to them through profiles and permissions is visible. So, and for the search bar, for instance, if I go to the records of Ashley Clark, who's a salesperson, we can see several other records like related accounts, opportunities, cases, shipments, right from here. And we have the ability to go to, say, the case record and edit or delete right from here. For instance, here, if I want to edit from the home page itself, I can edit and save right from here. These pop-ups that we often see on the Salesforce platform, we have the ability to deactivate or delete them after use. So if we are making the end user go through a certain walkthrough, but it's no longer, and then once it's finished, it's use, we can deactivate it so it doesn't keep popping up. So. Well,